my buddy John's 54 Chevy Belair. He had me put that LS in it, and just want to finish up a few little things it needs.
Started with the
fuel pump, and then that turned into replacing an injector and doing some more wiring. What?
Stop recording me.
I don't give Facebook my permission. I guess, because these were used plugs I put in. They were in the Zephyr, so they're not got a lot of use on them.
Is it wet though? Like with gasoline?
Doesn't look like it. hear it sparking when I pulled the wire off, though, so I know the coil's fine. Should be fine.
So what else would that leave it as?
Either compression or injector.
Injector would be the easier fix.
Yeah.
And compression would just mean that the...
It needs a motor. Could come back though. This motor's been sitting a long time. Who knows? They're pretty dirty. Could just be the plugs are too dirty for it. I'm just gonna swap them and see if it follows. Misfire follows the spark plug, which I kind of doubt, but who knows. You just gotta give it the red line rebuild and it'll come back to life.
Really? How could you tell?
Fuel injectors make a clicking when they're operating.
Mm-hmm.
So I put that screwdriver up to it and put my ear up to it, and I could hear clicking off number 3, but not number 1.
So that's what it is. Yay.
Yep.
We can fix that.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I don't see anything, do you?
Which one was it?
Number 1. It's not leaking there.
Okay. Sounds better. That sounds so much better.
Running on 8 cylinders now.
Yay!
We improved something. The torque converter clutch circuit, and it's gonna need power all the time. So what I'm gonna do is run this power in. This is 87A. The pins are called different things. 87A has power all the time with the relay off, and when you hit the brakes, you get power from the brake lights when you hit them, and then this side will go to ground. That'll open that circuit and give power to this wire, which is how a relay is normally used, but I'm going to use it to interrupt the torque converter clutch circuit on this thing.